Today we will try to make this simple crankshaft with you without any technical drawing. We will give our dimensions from our head, whatever we want. So let's get to the tutorial. Okay, let's start. Choose the part, click OK. And then first we can choose our material. We can make it like plain carbon steel. And then front plane, make it normal and start sketch. And I want to start with the center line. One to down line, one is to the other side, like to the right side. And let's make it 100. And this one can also 100 or like make it 50. You know, you can do whatever you want. And then I will start with the line. We can come to the same line over here if you can see. Just go randomly. And then we want like arc. So you can go and you can, when you come back to this point, you can make arc like that. And one more time I'm going back, so as you can see I made arc. Okay, and then we want to mirror this, but make sure that these 2 points is like this point and this point, make them horizontal. Okay, and then go to mirror entities. You don't have to choose one by one, you can just left click and then you can move your mouse and you can choose all of them, and then mirror about this center line over here. And then we want to make arc. For this you have different choice. We want 3-point arc, so we can choose 2-point and then you can move to your mouse and then we will make arc. Yes. Okay, first point is this one. As you can see, it shows how it will be. And then second point, and then just move your mouse like that. It doesn't matter right now. And also this one, first point, second point, and we have something like that right now. And then let's give the dimensions. Okay, so right now we will give the dimensions. For here we can make it like 150, something like that. But we have this let's say relations. We can delete this one. We will come back to this later. And then right now we can give this radius to this arc. Let's give 45 degrees, and this one will be, let's give 50 for example. And for this one we can give something bigger. Let's make it 180. Yeah, and also for this one let's make 75. Okay, right now it looks something like that. So we don't have like these are shape. We don't want this right now. This one and this one. We want them vertical. Now it will look like crankshaft. Okay, and then what we will do? We can, for example, with this point and this point, we can give, dimension between this point and this point. Let's make it 70, something like that. Yeah, it looks better. And then we will come back to this one and this one, make it tangent. I don't know if you noticed. Let's like undo. As you can see, it was like a circle at the beginning, and then I just left click to this like arc, and Control key on the keyboard, and then just click to this line. Like I choose like this arc and also this line, and I can give relation to this. I made a tangent. Okay. And then what we can give more? Actually, it looks quite okay. You can just go to here and fully define sketch. Yeah. Oh, yeah. As you can see, we have also this one. We can make it 170. We can make also the same thing over here, but it, it will not work because we already made it fully defined. So what we can do, we can change also a little bit more, but no, I think 180 is fine. Okay, so this one and this one. We cannot make it co-radial because we made it fully defined. One more time. You can come to here like that and fully defined like I will undo until, you know, I choose the fully defined sketch. As you can see, it looks better right now. Right now, make it fully defined. Now everything is fine. Okay, next step, what we will do? We will extrude this one. And let's make it 30 millimeters. Yeah, it looks okay right now. You can come to here and you can like hide the shadows. So we will not see this like that. We don't need that. Okay, make it normal right now. Next step, what we will do? We will come and we will choose the circle, and we will, when you come to here, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, we have center point. And from center point, just make one circle. And after that, let's check what was the, our dimension of this radius. It was 75, as you can see from here. So come back to the sketch. So what we can do, let's make it 140 maybe. Yeah, something like that. And then extrude this one. I will come to this side so you can see more, like better. Let's make it, I don't know. Let's make it 100, for example. Okay, now we have this one, so, but before that we can make it like, even better. Come to this side or this side, whatever you want. But first, I wanna just, make it normal first. It will look better for work. After that, we can also choose the material. Come, come to this side or this side, whatever you want. Make it normal. And then go to sketch. And from that point, come to here like that. Something like that, for example. You can even give the dimension, but I choose the, midpoint over here, so I don't have to give any, dimension. And then we will cut. I will show you from this side. You can make it through all, or you can make it blind and you can give the dimension from here. We can cut it like that. Okay. And then what we will do? Next step. Come to this one. Make it normal. Start sketch. And then from here we have slot. As you can see, we have straight slot, center point, 3-point arc, and center point arc slot. But we will choose straight slot. Come to here like that. We have center point, as you can see. And then we are going down. And then just move your mouse. Okay, and then right now you can give the dimension. We can give 150 for this one. And then we have this arc over here. We will give exactly the same radius which we had at the first step. So we will give 75. Now it looks something like that. And then click OK. Yeah. And then extrude this one. Make it another 100. Or 100 is too much. If it's too much, you can also change it. Just look from the side. As you can see, it's too much. So what we can do? You can just right click and you can just edit. And let's give 50 for this one, for example. Now it looks better. And we can also cut this side over here because we will continue from this side. So right click, make it normal. Choose the line. Come from here to the endpoint and then like as it was here, make it from the middle point. And just finish the triangle. And then cut this one through all. It will remember from this, process. Yeah. Next step. Right now, make it normal. And then what we will do? Okay. Right now, the next one. Make it normal from here. Start sketch and another circle. Come to here so you will see the center point of this arc. I will show you one more time. We are on the sketch. We are choosing the circle. And when you come to here, but just one click, you will see better. And when you come to arc, it shows you one, this plus over here. It means that this center point of this arc is this one. Come to here, and what was the radius? It was 70. So let's give 140 for this one. And then extrude this one more time. It was 100, so we will make it also 100. But as you can see, we are going from this side, so we can also cut this one. We could cut over here, but we forgot about this. But it doesn't matter. So make it normal. Choose the line, and then make the same thing. We can choose the center point, and then just cut it through all. Yeah. Okay. And then make it normal, and we will make one more slot over here. Make it normal. Sketch. Choose the straight slot, like before. From here to here, but be sure about that, like it's vertical. Let's give the same dimension, like 150, and give it was 75 areas. Yeah, as you can see, it's matching. And then just extrude this one. So let's make it also 50 because it was 50. Okay, now what we will do? We will make this part also to the here. Okay, choose this side, but before that, we will choose one, like we will add one more circle over here. Make it normal. Come to sketch. As you can see, we have also the center line over here. It's the same process. Come to dimension, give 140. Yeah. And then extrude this one also. But we want 100. And enter. Yeah. Next step, what we can do. Now we want this part, which we had at the beginning, over here. But we have to reverse this because we are making crankshaft. So what we can do, just one click to here. And then we have this one, right? Convert entities, but choose this one first from the first extrude, and then convert entities for this one. But wait, sorry, we couldn't, like, we didn't start sketch. Yeah, start sketch. Now we are on the sketch, and then convert entities. As you can see, come to here, first one, sketch one. So we have our like entities over here right now. So we don't have to we don't have to draw one more time the same things. Yeah. But right now we have to reverse this, right? Now we can use the center line to, when we reverse, so we will be sure that it will not move. One can be this one. Second can be, for example, this one. And we can also make from this one to this one. From here, like that. And let's make one more to here. Yeah, something like that. Yes. Right now what we will do, we will add one point over here, and we will reverse according to this point. Come to point and just choose over here like that. And then you have move entities. Click to this one, and as you can see, like we have rotate entities. We already choose the point, like the parameters. Just choose all of them. What? Wait. Rotate entities. Just choose all of them like that. And then center of rotation, we have our point, and we will make it 180 degrees. As you can see, we made reverse right now. And just click OK. But as you can see, we choose also this line, and we don't need that because we will extrude this one. So we can just delete. And then extruded boss and base. And what was our dimension? I think it was 30. We can also check from this one. Just right click. Yeah, it was 30. Okay, now we have this one. What we will do next? Okay, let's make one circle to here, because we will, right now, we have almost half of the crankshaft. And after that, from that point, we will mirror this. So we will make one more toe over here, but actually, we will make half of it because we will make, we will mirror this. So make it normal, come to here, from the center point, we can make it 70. like that. And just extrude this one, just 50. Normally it was 100 as if you remember. Okay, and the same thing over here. Make it normal. Come to here from the center point. If you come to here, it's 70. As you can see, we don't have to give any dimension to this one. And it's 50 from the other one. It will remember this. So, and then let's make one more to this side, just to rotate this one at the end. We are making one more from the center. It was 70, so we can give for this one like, let's make it 50 then, or 60. Yeah, and let's make it like long, 150 for example. Yeah, we have something like that right now. Now we will make it like mirror face. We will make like we will mirror from this side, and then we will not use these ones. We will use the body, and then just choose the whole body over here, and make sure that you have merge solids, so it will create just one part. If you don't choose this one, it will be one and it will be second. And when you click OK, we have our crankshaft. But as you can see, in my opinion, they are a little bit thin. So we can change them, right? Which one? This one first. Let's make them 50. Yeah, this one also. Yes. As you can see, when I change this one, like this thickness, we also change these ones. Yeah. But before mirror, you can delete this like that. Just delete this one. We can also cut here and here, so it will look better. Make it normal. Come to sketch. From that point to that point, and to the middle point, and come back to this one. So finish the triangle. And from that point, the same process to the here. And then just cut it. Yeah. Well, now one more time mirror. Faces this one and choose the whole body. And it's not in our like crankshaft, so we can just change the color of this one. So we will be sure about that, like it's not our part. Make it black, and also this one. If you want, you can just right click and you have copy appearance over here. When you click this one and when you come to this one, you can just choose this one for example, but yeah, you have options over here. You can just make it to the whole mirror or whole body or just to this face. Okay, just make it like hide right now. And then do we have something more? But if I don't know if you noticed, on the crankshaft they must be on the just one line, and we made one mistake over here. So how we can fix it? Just suppress this mirror first, so we will see better. And then what we can do? For this one, we can come to here, for example, and make it normal and edit sketch. First, delete this relation. Okay, and also on the circle, we have like relation. We will delete also this one. And then choose the smart dimension. With the shift key, left click to this one and to this arc over here. And then now we will give the dimension. For example, if you give 250, it will be something like that, and it's not enough, for example. I don't know, like, I just gave the dimensions like from my head, not with, like from any technical drawing, so I am not sure how it must be actually. But it looks quite close. 225, for example. Yeah, right now it's fine. Now we have this one, but we will also make the same thing over here. So, edit sketch. First this one, delete the coincident, and delete also this one. Smart dimension from center to this arc, 225. And then OK, and then wait. And then one more time come to this one. Just left click to this circle, and then click also to this one and make it co-radial. But we have probably, yeah, as you can see, we have coincident relation over here, and we don't have anything over here, so we can come just choose this circle and choose this one also and make it co-radial, or no, not actually co-radial. Okay, we made them co-radial, and then just give this one like dimension, not 140, 120 for example. Yeah. Now we have everything on the one line, as you can see. Actually, the one easy way, we could just use this point and we could just make our like center from here. But we already done this, so unsuppress this one, and we have our crankshaft. Today we created simple crankshaft for the beginners. You can make you can just watch the tutorial and you can just try to make it. And if you have any question or if you need help, you can just leave a comment and I will try to help you as much as I can. And if you like the videos and if you want me to record more videos like that, please like and subscribe to channel, and see you on the next video. I hope you like it. Have a nice day.